It is not a suicide attempt, even though it may look like it. Cutting is a form of self-injury. It may be difficult to understand, but for many young people, it is a way to deal with their emotional pain in a way they feel in control. Many kids who self-injure are simply regular kids that are going through the struggles to find their self-identity. It may start with a breakup of a relationship. It may be that they are unable to manage day-to-day stresses of life. It may start just out of curiosity. For many kids, it's a result of demanding home environment where negative emotions are expressed. Afterwards, the hurting person probably feels better for a while, but the painful feeling returns and the urge to cut comes again. Over time, the cutting typically gets worse, occurring more often, with more and more cuts each time. Sometimes the secrecy and guilt affects the relationship with your friends, family members, and the way you feel about yourself. It could possibly make you feel even more lonely, worthless, and trapped. Cuts can easily be hidden by long sleeves and other clothing that make it hard to realize who is hurting themselves. Some signs that you could watch for if you think a person may be hurting themselves are unexplained wounds or scars, bloodstains, sharp objects or cutting instruments in the person's belongings, frequent accidents, covering up, or the need to be alone for long periods of time. There could also be changes in mood, like depression or anxiety, out-of-control behavior, changes in relationship, communication, and school performances. If you suspect a problem with a loved one or a friend, let them know there is open communication for the person to decide who they are going to trust. With such personal information can be difficult. The person needs to have someone who isn't going to gossip or try to take control. They need someone that makes them feel accepted and supported. It could be a friend, teacher, religious leader, counselor, or relative. Let them know that there will be no judging or punishment, but that you are just concerned about them. And let them know that you are there to help them.